This presentation is for the project on Wisconsin Highway 46 from Cylon to Amery in Polk and St. Croix counties. Rather than holding an in-person meeting, public involvement efforts have moved online as a precaution against COVID-19. All meeting materials, including the handout with a comment form, are posted on the design website for this project. The link to the project is listed above. If you have any questions, please contact Wisconsin DOT Project Manager Jessica Bowker at 715-577-2963. Welcome to the virtual public involvement meeting for the Wisconsin Highway 46 project from Cylon to Amery in Polk and St. Croix counties. Listed here are people who are working on this project. Their contact information will be on the last slide of this presentation, which will include their phone numbers and email addresses. Feel free to contact them with any comments, questions, or concerns regarding the project. This presentation will follow the outline shown here. First, discussing the project location. Second, the project purpose and need. Third, the proposed design improvements. Fourth, the construction staging. Fifth, the real estate process. Sixth, the next activities in the schedule. And finally, ending with the project team contact information. The proposed Wisconsin Highway 46 Rehabilitation Project begins north of the Wisconsin Highway 64 roundabout and extends north to the Snow Street intersection. See the website display for more details. The primary purpose for this project is improving the condition of the pavement on Wisconsin Highway 46 and widening the paved shoulders, so motorists have a highway that meets safety standards and provides a high level of service. The project also includes upgrading the beam guard to current safety standards and repairing culverts along Wisconsin Highway 46. The project is needed because the existing pavement on Wisconsin Highway 46 exhibits signs of deterioration in the form of alligator, longitudinal, and transverse cracking and rutting in the vehicle wheel paths, and the existing beam guard is non-compliant with current standards. The proposed improvements include the resurfacing of Wisconsin Highway 46 with asphalt pavement to provide a safer driving surface, repairing culverts, upgrading beam guard to current standards, widening the paved shoulders, and replacing the pavement marking. Construction of Wisconsin Highway 46 is anticipated to take place in summer 2022. During the work, the roadway will remain open to traffic and be constructed with single lane closures through flagging operations. The proposed project will require temporary easements for the culvert repairs. Information will be sent to all affected property owners discussing the real estate acquisition process. Currently, the project team is working on the design of the project. The preliminary plans and environmental document were completed in May 2020. The right-of-way plat was completed in July 2020. The final plans should be completed by August 2021, and construction is anticipated to begin in 2022. As part of the design process, the Department of Transportation needs to gather information and share its design with the public. The Wisconsin DOT is requesting you share concerns or comments you may have about the project on a comment form. You can find the forms at the project website shown here and return them to any of the team members shown on the last slide of this presentation by December 11th, 2020. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. Please share your thoughts with us through an email, a phone call, or a letter mailed to the Wisconsin Department of Transportation Northwest Region Office in Eau Claire. Thank you for your time and have a great day.